To perform searches on the system, click the Search button at the top of the page and find Shipment Search. This section will take you to the main search screen. On the Shipment Search screen, you can enter the date information as you wish or use one of the predefined options in the system: this year, last year, or last 3 years to filter the results. Start typing your HS code or description of your HS code. Click on the code in the drop-down menu and click Search. On the screen, you will see how to search for fresh apple shipments under 080810 code. On the Shipment Search screen, you will see the number of companies and shipments in our database by country and the number of shipments by month for the code you searched for. You will see the numbers of these shipments categorized by importer and exporter countries on the left side of the screen. You can select the country you want to view in this area and filter the shipments accordingly. When you scroll down, you will see the importers sorted by the number of shipments for the selected code. You can click on the shipment count of any company to view its shipments in detail. You can click on the Google icon to search for the company name on Google or click on the contact details if available. You can click on Excel Download button to download details of the shipments. Please note that you can download 10,000 records at once. So if you want to download more, you can limit the search dates and download all the data periodically or select importing country or countries. The system will ask your preferred number of lines to be downloaded and automatically download the latest records when you download any number of transactions. When you open the Excel file, you will see 2 tabs. The first tab has every detail an import-export declaration form includes depending on availability of data, such as dates, importer and exporter companies, HS codes, product definitions, and for some countries, even prices, quantities, notify parties, ports. The second tab is a summary of all importers in the Excel file you downloaded, ranked by the number of shipments, and contact information for those importers. If you want to examine a company's customers or suppliers, you can search by company name by selecting one of the importer company or exporter company options in the search field. The screen shows you how to find Microsoft suppliers. If you want to search by product description, you can type the product name in the search area and click Search. For example, you can see the search details in the video where you can examine Xbox buyers and sellers.